So you have a new website and it's not ranking on Google. And it's for a couple of reasons, to be honest. One, it's new, and there is no trust that you've made with Google about your website. Number two, you probably haven't done the necessary back work on your website to make it SEO optimized or search engine optimized. And some of these things include listing your business on Google Businesses, listing it on Google Maps, making sure it even has a Google Plus profile, making sure you verify your website domain and your business with Google. They send you a card in the mail to verify it. All of these different little things add if you have a business on Google and you're trying to get your website to rank higher. If you don't have a website and you're just doing a blog, a lot of things you can do are make sure you have backlinks going between the different pages on your site. Make sure you embed high quality images and videos into your website, because Google loves this. It loves having that quality of content there, not just text on a website. It builds trust with Google as well. Plus, if you upload these videos via YouTube, it's another opportunity for your content to rank, not only on YouTube, but on Google as well. Same with images through Google Images. And make sure you include alt text with the descriptions of those photos as well. Another thing you can do that makes a huge difference is consistently putting a blog post either up daily, weekly, or monthly on your page with keywords for your desired niche or target audience in it. This all increases more traffic, more organic traffic, more search results to your website and helps you rank higher. It also gives you more opportunities to rank for different areas with those blog posts as well. More opportunities for your website to come up when people search for certain topics. Another thing you can do that helps a ton is make sure your website is linked to your various social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. This also gives you another opportunity to create cross-platform traffic that goes to and from your website and these social media platforms, and it gives you more monthly views, which helps you rank even higher on Google. Another thing you can do is create multiple landing pages, especially if you're a business, for areas that you do business in, because a lot of Google searches are geographically located, which is part of the reason why making sure you have your business listed on Google Businesses and Google Maps is also important. But having landing pages for those different communities you serve that are outside of where your business is physically located is huge, because it allows you to rank higher in search results for people who live outside of your area but still use your services or products. And all of these things, if you do them correctly, there's a lot more things you can also do, but they will help you rank higher on Google. And this helps you drive more traffic to your website, and especially organic traffic. Having a website that ranks on Google is what we call evergreen marketing. It's not like it's trending like on TikTok and getting 1 million views in a couple days and then just dying off. It is there forever. And if you can rank really high in a very searchable category, you're going to get thousands of views per day on your website for people searching for that type of content and resources and or products or services that you provide. And it completely changes how your business operates. It is also why it is so important to have really good copy on your website and to make sure it looks professional from top to bottom, to make sure that it flows well and that you have a proper sales funnel on your website if you are a business, or if you are just a blogger, if there is a way for people to opt in to an email list. That way you can notify them when you have a new blog up or a new post or whatever it may be. Always remember that creating an email list is extremely important, because no matter what, you can send them an email. If the algorithm in Google changes for how they rank websites, you would then have to put in more work to rank again to meet those new criteria. Or if a algorithm changes on a social media platform, you have to learn how to create those views again if it is even still possible. But if you have their email, you can always send them an email. And you can automate it too. So always make sure you're collecting emails with this traffic you're driving to your website. Also, if you are using your website for business purposes, make sure it's simple and easy to navigate. This is because you only have about 3 clicks of attention before someone leaves your website and goes back to Google and continues surfing the internet. So make sure it's easy and you can navigate them to where you want them to buy in, or get your services, or join your email list, or community, or whatever it may be. So if you apply these things, I guarantee you it's really going to change how your business operates, and you're going to rank higher on Google as well. If you want more help in doing this, you can always reach out to me on our website at www.laneymedia.org. We have tons of services and packages related to SEO optimization, and you can reach out to us there. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're coming out with all kinds of new content to help you learn how to scale your business online, how to rank better on Google, and how to create a financial future for yourself. So thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like it and have a great day.